Hello everyone, today we will learn how to install Drupal on AWS EC2 instance with Docker. So my EC2 instance is already comes up with Ubuntu 20.04. First we will create the EC2 instance. Let's start with it. Here I logged into my console and I'll click on to the launch instance and create one instance. Now I want Ubuntu 20.04. So here it is, free tier eligible. Here I will create new key pair, PEM, create key pair. I'm allowing all traffic HTTPS and HTTP, and let's launch the instance. Okay, so my EC2 instance got created. Right now it is showing in the pending state. This will comes up in the running state. Till now, let's SSH into the server. Git bash over here. Let's wait until it comes up. Okay, now it's showing running. I selected over here and clicked on the connect. It will give you the details like your username will be Ubuntu. So I can connect to my EC2 instance with this. So for that I need to open an SSH client. Need to do this, or I can simply copy this command. Enter. Yes. Okay, so now I logged in. Here, first I need to install Docker. For that, I'm having this one document. Obviously, we don't have any existing Docker engine running behind, but still I'm running this command. Okay, sudo apt update. Okay, now run next command for installing all the required packages and certificates. This is done. install Docker on Ubuntu with the command. So this command will install exactly Docker on Ubuntu. This command is for add your user account to the Docker group. User is added. Okay, these all commands I'm done with. Now I'm checking the Docker version. I didn't install Docker desktop because it won't require right now, as it is showing Docker version is installed, and if I check any container is running, obviously it's not running. So the command is docker ps-a. So you can check there is not container, no any container running here right now. Now what we need to do is we need to install Drupal and MySQL. For that, we have the latest images, and you can pull those latest images from the official Docker Hub. I can show you from where you can get that. Docker Hub MySQL image. So if you do this, you can get the image from here, and here it is showing latest. So I'm using this image, and similarly with the Drupal, I'm using the latest image. For that, I'm having command docker run -d and -name. So D stands for the detach mode. This basically does what your image is running behind, and the next command can also be executed. So this basically for running the things in the background. Is the name of the container. I'm giving my SQL database. Now you need to give the environment. -e stands for the environment, and it is MySQL root password equals root, and now the name of the image, which is MySQL latest. First, it will check the image if it exists locally. Since there is not any image existing locally, so it will pull that image from the Docker Hub. Okay, we are done with it. Now, if I'll do docker ps-a, it will show you one container running with MySQL database. Fine. Now install Drupal latest image with Docker. For that, I'm having command docker run -d. -d stands for detach mode. Name I'm giving Drupal container -p. -p stands for port, so I want this to run on 8080. I will link this with my database, my SQL database. Spellings are fine, correct? Now you need to give the environment variable. So -e stands for environment. Username equals root. Now the name of the image comes up. Drupal latest. Okay. You can see it is pulling the Drupal image from the library. It is extracting it. So it extracts layer by layer. So Docker does this thing like this way. Header response for daemon could not get container for MySQL database. I'm having the spelling mistake. Here it is MySQL data BSE, and here I'm giving BASE. So I need to correct it. Okay, so container is created. Let's do. As you can see, there are two containers running. One is for Drupal database and second one is for MySQL database. Now check on the public IP how it's working. As you can see here, this public IP is not getting open. So I will go here and check my security group rules. So the security group launch wizard 3 is attached here. So I will click on this security group and I will edit the inbound rules. Let's first check because I have given the port 8080 and I am checking over here. The site is not up, it's not coming. Right, it is not coming. So I need to pass the 8080 port in my inbound rule of security group. So I will add rule from here. This is a custom TCP. This will remain as it is. 8080 is a port and this is for internet traffic, like we are allowing the internet to access this. Now I am saving rule. My rule is saved. Now I will go here. See, as you can see now, the site is up and we can install Drupal from here. Now, one thing which we need to mention here, here you need to pass the host, the name of the MySQL container which you have created. So the container which I have created, name of the MySQL container. So generally it shows up in the Docker, in the Docker's container here in the app, but we don't have Docker desktop here. Okay, here it is coming. I'm really sorry. So MySQL database. Yes. So as you can see, Drupal 10 is successfully installed. This is how we installed Drupal with Docker on AWS. Thanks for watching.